Here's the trouble with most schedules. They're built blind to what they cost. You slot people into shifts, post the week, and only find out the bill on payroll day, when it's far too late to change anything. This workbook fixes that. You staff the week, and it shows you the labor cost as you go. Checked against the sales you expect, you see the number before you post, not after. It starts on the Setup tab. You enter your team and each person's hourly rate, the week you're planning, your weekly sales or budget target, the labor cost percentage you're aiming to stay under, and your overtime rule. You also build a small shift library, your own opening, mid, and closing shifts with the times and breaks. Everything downstream reads from here. Then you staff the week. People run down the side, the 7 days across the top, and you drop a shift code in each cell. As you fill it in, two things happen on the right. Each person's weekly hours and their weekly cost. And along the bottom, the totals for each day, how many are on, the hours, and the labor dollars. A familiar grid, quietly counting money the whole time. This is the tab that makes it more than a grid. The labor cost tab splits every person's hours into regular and overtime, prices them at their rate, and rolls the week into a total. Then it checks that total against your sales target as a labor cost percentage. In this example, the schedule lands at 31.1% against a 30% target. So it reads over by $155, and it tells you exactly that, while you can still trim a shift. Cost tells you whether the schedule is affordable. Coverage tells you whether it works. This tab counts how many people are on each shift each day. A 0 is a gap, a shift with nobody on it. A high number is an overlap you might trim. And under the grid, every day is checked against the minimum staff you need. So a day that runs short gets flagged before it lands on the floor. The week overview pulls it all together. Labor dollars by day, hours by person, and the headline figures for the week, total hours, total cost, overtime, and any understaffed days. It's the last look before you post, and there's nothing to fill in. Change one shift anywhere, and every figure moves with it. It comes with 4 guides too. A Start Here walkthrough, a labor cost guide that takes you from hours to dollars to the percentage, a scheduling and coverage guide, and printable pages for the wall. Not just a template, but the method behind every tab. And you own it outright. No per-seat fee, no monthly bill, no vendor holding your schedule. It works in Excel, in LibreOffice, and as a one-click Google Sheets copy. It's the structure and the math of scheduling software in a file that's yours to keep. Find the Shift Schedule and Labor Cost Workbook at Ardent Workshop.